Draw dot and cross diagram for the following compound. All right, we have sodium chloride, we have magnesium chloride, we have water, and we have what? We have methane. So at the course of this, I'm going to do 2, then you are going to do 2 and drop it on the comment section. Now, when we looked at that dot and cross, this is simply chemical bonding. All right, now we are going to first of all look at the first one. In the case of this sodium chloride, sodium has electronic configuration of what? 2, 8 and 1. 2, 8 and 1. Plus chlorine has electronic configuration of what? 2, 8 and 7. All right, that is the first shell is 2, the second shell is 8, the third shell is what? Is 7. All right, now in the case of this one, this sodium here has one valence electron. We say cross. This is what we call cross. All right, now on the other hand, chlorine here, sorry, this is chlorine, not carbon. Chlorine here has 7 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you get that? Now chlorine needs 1 to complete. Sodium, on the other hand, if you remove this one now, it will not be complete. Do you understand? Now what will happen is that this sodium now will not give out this 1 to this chlorine. It will not form what? You now see something like this. You now see something like sodium plus. Are you following? It will now be what? 2, 8, because it has given this 1 to this chlorine. Are you following? Now this is what we call cation. On the other hand, chlorine have accepted 1. All right, chlorine has accepted 1. So since he has accepted 1, you now form something like this. 2, look at 2, 8, 8. Okay, 2, 8, 8. It means that you have something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of this one, of this one that has given. And because of that, this is plus. Because of that, this one will have what? Minus. Minus in the sense that it gains 1 electron. Why this one is plus? Because of what? It gives out 1 electron. And this type of chemical bonding is what we call ionic bonding. And at the end, they will form something like this. NaCl. That is what they are formed. All right. This is what we call cross and dot diagram. All right. Now let's look at this, the one of magnesium chloride. If you look at the electronic configuration of magnesium, look at magnesium Mg. Mg is what? 2, 8, 2. And we now have what? 2 chlorine. Look at 2 chlorine. We have 1 chlorine here. 1 chlorine has what? 2, 8. Look at 2, 8, 7. And another chlorine has what? 2, 8, 7. Do you get that? Now this 2, 8, 7 now, this magnesium has 2 electrons in its valence shell. This is a 2 electron. Look at 2, 8, 2. The valence shell of chlorine here, it has what? Sorry, of magnesium here is 2. Now on the other hand, this one will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8, 7. And what? 1. This one. Do you get that? Now, this magnesium will give her, this one needs 1 to complete. This one also needs 1 to complete. So magnesium, this one will give her this 1. And this one will give her what? This 1. So that chlorine now will be balanced. Now, at the end now, magnesium that give out will now have something like this. Mg 2 plus, because of what? Magnesium give out, that loses what? Loses 2 electrons. So to become what? 2, 8, 2,8. This is the electronic configuration of what? Magnesium ions. On the other hand, chlorine now, look at chlorine now will now have what? 2 bracket what? We have Cl1. We have against 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have what? Minus. You get that? These 2 outside means that there are 2 chlorine. And out of the 2 chlorine, 1 gets 1 electron from magnesium and 1 get 1 electron from what? From magnesium to form what? To form this ion. Alright? This minor means that each of them has what? Receive 1 electron. One of these receive 1 electron, one will receive 1 electron. These 2 means that they are what? They are 2 chlorine. At the end, we have what? 2, 8, 8. That is the electronic configuration. So, and at the end of the formula now, we now have what? MgCl2. Oh, go and do the one of water and methane and drop it on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.